friends, I am Amazan. Today we will see how to add and subtract of unlike fraction. As a friend, you can observe with me. If you are ready, let's start. The first question is, we need to add these two fractions. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. The first step is, first we need to change the unlike fraction into like fraction. To change from unlike fraction into like fraction, first we need to find the LCM of these two denominators. There is no common factor for these two denominators, so we can simply multiply. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So now we have find the LCM for these two numbers. Next we need to put it 2 by 3 is equal to box by 12. In 3 tables, in which time 12 will come? It will come in 4th time. So we need to multiply with 4. With 4 we need to multiply with the denominators and the numerators also. 4 into 2 4s are 8. So 8 by 12 we have 2 by 3 is equal to 8 by 12. Next is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is equal to box by 12. In 4 tables, 12 will come in 3rd time. We need to multiply 3 with the numerator and the denominator. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So 9 by 12 we have got. So now we have converted the unlike fraction into like fraction. The next step is we need to add these two fractions. 8 by 12 plus 9 by 12. The denominators are same, so we need no need to change the denominator. 12. 9 plus 8 or 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So the answer is 17 by 12. So now we have add the number fraction 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. That is equal to 17 by 12. Now we have taken one another example to understand it more clearly. That is a mixed fraction. The step 1 is we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. To convert into improper fraction, what is the formula? We need to multiply these two numbers and we will get one total answer. From that we need to add the numerator. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 12 plus 5 is equal to 15. So this is 15 by 4. The next one is we need to multiply these two numbers and then we will get one total answer. From there we need to add this numerator. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 by 2. Now we have convert into the improper fraction. The next step is we need to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction. For that we need to find the LCM of these two denominators. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 will come in 2 tables. 2 tables, it will come in first time, it will come in second time. For how to find LCM is we need to multiply these three numbers. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So now we have got the LCM, that is 4. Now we have found the LCM at 4. We no need to change 15 by 4 because now we have find the LCM as 4 and the denominator of this fraction is also 4. So we now need to convert it. We can write as such. 15 by 4. The next is 11 by 2 is equal to box by 4. In 2 tables, 4 will come in second time. So we need to multiply 2 with the numerator and the denominator. When we multiply with the numerator, 12 into 2 is equal to 22. So now we have converted 15 by 4 and 22 by 4. Next step is we need to add this. We don't need to add the denominator because the denominators are same. Equal to 4. 22 plus 15 is equal to 37. So the answer is 37 by 4. Now we have found the answer as 37 by 4. When we are adding the two fractions as the mixed fraction, so we also need to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. What is the formula? We need to divide these two numbers. The numerator will be the dividend and the denominator will be the divisor. We need to divide it. 4. In 4 tables, 37 will come or not? 37 will not come. The nearest number is 36. It will come in 9 times. Minus 36. Remainder is 1. And then we need to put the arrow mark in anti-clockwise direction like this. 1 will go up, 9 will come here, and 4 will go down as the denominator. So now we have found the answer as 9 1 by 4. Now we will do for subtraction. We need to follow the same method for addition and subtraction. Only the last step will be different. In addition we have added, but in subtraction we need to subtract. Now we will go with an example. As I said, first we need to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction. To convert it to like fraction, we need to find the LCM of these two denominators. There is no common factor for these two denominators, so we can simply multiply it. 4 sevens are 28 equal to 28. Now we have converted the denominator as 28. 3 by 4 is equal to box by 28. In 4 tables, in which time 28 will come? It will come in 7th time. So we need to multiply 7 with the denominator and the numerator. 3 sevens are 21. So we got as 21 by 28. The next is 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is equal to box by 28. In 7 tables, 28 will come in 4th time. Into 4. We need to multiply this 4 with the denominator and numerator. Now we will multiply with the numerator. 1 4 is 4. So we have got as 4 by 8. Next step is we need to subtract. 21 by 28 minus 4 by 28. We no need to change the denominator, right as such. 21 minus 4 is equal to 17. So the answer we got is 17 by 28. Today we have seen how to add and subtract unlike fraction. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye bye friends.